What you tolerate is what you'll get. Now, that is in any aspect of life, not just in relationships, but also in your job or your health or anything for that matter. As far as with relationships, if you keep tolerating someone doing something negative to you, especially after you've told them that you do not like it, and they keep doing it, you are tolerating it. You're putting up with it. You are saying that my value is not great enough to expect to be treated the way that I ask. So, personally now, looking back on my relationship with the narcissist, I spent 7 years with her, and I don't remember exactly how many years. It was a couple years in, few years in, when I first found out about cheating. And obviously up to that point, she had lied about different things and whatnot, but it wasn't until finding out about the cheating that I really kind of took a step back and looked at all the different things that she was doing to me that I don't like being done to me. It's not like I enjoyed these things. I hated it. But I kept putting her and trying to make this family situation with the kids and all that, I kept trying to make that work to the point where I was clearly unhappy, and she was just kind of free range doing whatever she wanted, whenever she wanted, and treating me like complete shit. And, you know, you don't think about it in that instance. Like I said, I was so concerned with making things work out as a family that I just let myself be trampled all over on. And, you know, when you really look at it, I was tolerating it. You know, like I said, it sucked. I hated it, but at the same point, I was tolerating it. I was letting myself be put down, be lied to constantly, be cheated on multiple times, and just, yeah, felt so low about myself and my life at that point. But yeah, this is tolerating it. Now, at this point in life, not with her, not with anyone, but I have had 2 times this year now, 2 times, my back seemingly randomly just kind of like terrible pain in my lower back. And first time just went to an after hours clinic. They just assumed it's a herniated disc, gave me some different pills, and that was it. Just hung out at home for a week. Now it happened again, not quite 6 months later, and this time I finally went to the hospital about it, got a CT scan. Turns out I have a slightly bulging disc and pinched nerve. Pretty much the same thing, got more pills. But this time, I finally realized I need to do something about my health. I cannot keep tolerating this pain in the way that I've been living. After that first time, once I got feeling good again, I went right back to my old habits. Not working out at all, eating fast food constantly, and just nothing healthy there. It was all a not great setup as far as trying to get healthy and feeling good. So after this time, I was like, I need to make a change terribly. And so finally working out, eating healthier, eating less, and yeah, I'm not gonna let this happen again and it be because I was out of shape and not taking care of my health. I am no longer gonna tolerate that pain happening because I was being lazy. So once again, bringing this back to relationships, if you are with a narcissist, even if you believe that they're a narcissist, even if you don't think they're a narcissist, if they are treating you poorly in a way that you do not like, and you're staying, just know, and I know it's hard to understand, hard to accept, you are tolerating it. It's a shitty reality to it, but staying through the disrespect, the lying, the cheating, the manipulation, you are tolerating it. And I know in a relationship with a narcissist, they know how to manipulate you into a way that you're probably for a while there not even going to realize that you are tolerating anything, because they're going to make you feel so down and worthless and like you need them that you're not going to feel like you're tolerating anything. You're going to think this is what you deserve. But let me be crystal clear with you and tell you, you do not deserve to be lied to or cheated on or gaslit or manipulated. Any of that. It's just not worth it. It's not worth it at the end of the day. There's so much more to life. You can be happy without them. It's a struggle. It'll take a while. But the reality of my life right now, not being with my ex anymore, not dealing with the lies and the wondering what she's doing, where she is when I'm not around, wondering why she's hiding her phone, if she's talking to someone, what's going on there. The peace that comes with not having to think about any of those things is so much greater than I have someone, I'm with someone, I stayed with her for the kids. Like, life is so much better. So take that into consideration. Once again, realize what you are tolerating, you are accepting. So anyways, I love you guys. I appreciate you. And I'll see you guys next time.